In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Ghibli style images for free. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to this website, grok.com. On this website, we're gonna upload the image, and to upload the image, it says please log in to attach file. So what we're going to do is or sign up or sign in. I'm going to sign in. So we just signed in, and what we're going to do is we're going to attach an image. And just for you guys to see, this is the image that I attached that I want to make Ghibli style. So how do we make this image in Ghibli style? And that is, we will just say make it in Ghibli style. And we're going to click on this black button. And then in like 15 seconds, the image is created. The image is just created, guys, in Ghibli style. Look how nice it looks. What you can do, you can just type in pastel tones, add glowing fireflies in enchanted forest. You can also just say add a dog, and it will add a dog. As an example, if you just say I like this one, add glowing fireflies. Then again, like 15 seconds it will take to create the image. And as you can see, it added glowing fireflies to the image. So now you can also say make the dress yellow, and then it will make the dress yellow, that kind of stuff. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like. Let us know in the comments down below if this worked for you. And yeah, if you like to have more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel.